Kill it. Kill it. Welcome back to Cam's Out Garage. I'm your host, Stefan.
What up, Steven? Cam's Out Garage. I'll be your hostess with the mostest.
Well, all the plugs are in. Steven's hooking up the battery now. And then we can finally see if the stump jumper rolls over. All right. Time to shine. Come on, Steven. Rub it right. Rub it right. We got lights. Damn. Take two.
Take two.
Ho! Kill it. Kill it.
Just burning off wood.
Oh, never mind. It can't burn off oil. It's not hot enough yet.
I mean, this pipe's not connected down there. There's oil all over it.
Well, there you go, folks.
Anybody
She runs.
need,
Oh my God.
Oh, there's so much oil in the cylinders, man.
Hey, so we are starting a new business, and we do we fog machines. You know, you can rent it.
Clear out.
Woo! She runs.
Runs good.
What do you think about that, Steven?
Sounds good. Runs good. It ain't got much gas in the before but it's only so much water in the floor.
I'm sure the seat's soaked too. Well, the motor runs. Let's see if we can get this thing to move at all. You're just gonna have to leave it in neutral. But she runs.
Got that rev limiter.
That's how them young kids do it. As always, thanks for tuning in to Cam's Out Garage. I'm your host, Stefan.
Steven, like and subscribe. Battery back
See y'all
in the
next
truck,
time.